Mr Watt, you're very welcome and your team are very welcome. I think it's most unacceptable that you refer to the committee as a mob. If you didn't, and that's been reported, perhaps you'll confirm that you're going to ask the reporter to withdraw that because it's not accurate.
So, I've already addressed this.
No, sorry.
Deputy.
I'm asking a question.
I really feel
no,
this.
Mr. Watt, sorry. As a member, I've a lot of questions I want to ask. To refer to the committee as a mob, if it's not correct, will you be issuing instructions for that to be changed? Or is it that you said it and you're apologising?
So I will talk to the journalist. I don't know who the journalist was. I don't know who, but I will speak with the journalist when I get a chance.
Did you hear my question, Mr. Watt? Will you be talking to the journalist to say that was wrong and you didn't say that, or will you? Or are you apologising for saying it?
So I said already through the chair that if I said it, and that I apologise for that, and that wasn't meant to be offensive in any way.
It is offensive to call a committee a mob. Níl sé ceartnar cór agus ní féidir glacu leis an focail gramasca úsáid maidiú leis an coiste seo. I'm not sure now. I'm not sure what your body language means, but I am here as a member to ask questions in the most polite manner possible and to get replies.
And I've answered questions, Deputy, as I have on many occasions.
I'm asking this question now, Mr. Watt. I'm asking this question now, and I'm still not sure what you're saying. Did you use the word mob or did you not? I don't
have any recollection of what I said.
Okay.
That's my
well, let me put my questions in perspective on this. See, I'm from Galway City, and I welcome the plan.